This semester, I chose to market my own personal floral business. Still kind of getting it up and rolling, and so that's why I chose it. It's called Blossom and Bloom Floral. A little bit about Blossom and Bloom Floral. I started it in 2017 just as a result of a newfound love of floristry. It's a very small business. It's just me, and I specialize in weddings and events. I selected it for this project because I didn't really have any social media marketing plan or strategy in place, and thought it would be a good opportunity to kind of up my ante on my Instagram and my Facebook presence. So my goal for this project was to increase my following by 25 followers on both Facebook and Instagram. And in order to do this, I was hoping to post 2 to 3 times a week, and I just wanted to build my brand awareness. I wasn't looking to have sales based off of my posts or anything. I mostly just wanted people to be aware that I'm there, just as I'm getting started, and then hopefully in the future that turns into income and profit from people setting up events and hiring me as their florist. These are some example posts from what I would put up. All 3 of these are from Instagram, but I typically would post on Instagram and share through Instagram to Facebook. So each post that I would put up, I wanted to make sure majority of the frame was flowers, and if it wasn't, it pulled your eye towards the flowers if they weren't flowers. My designs are typically pretty natural looking, nothing too crazy. I really like more loose, kind of organic feel bouquets, but I also love bright colors. And so I wanted to emphasize that in my Instagram to kind of build that brand identity on there, to play with those bright colors and that loose, simple, natural feel. So each of these posts will show you that. I wanted to make use of hashtags in these too, but not too many. A lot of times I would comment with more hashtags, so things like Utah florist or wedding florist or weddings. So these are some examples of that. So the demographics of my followers, typically it looks like my goal was to market towards 18 to 24-year-olds, and it looks like it paid off. 50% of my followers are 18 to 24, with about 81% of those followers being women. 81% of total followers being women. 52% of that age range are women as well, which is exactly what I was aiming to market to, so that worked out perfectly. As a result, I did gain 27 new Instagram followers on top of my pre-existing around 200, and then I also got 4 new Facebook followers. And so this is a screenshot of what my Instagram looks like. And my future plans with this is just to keep making flowers, floral arrangements, and to keep growing my business and having a great time. Thanks.